India's pharmaceutical industry is on edge as it prepares for potential disruptions caused by the tariffs imposed by the 47th President of the United States, Donald Trump. In response to India's high tariffs on certain American products, Trump has pledged to implement reciprocal tariffs, triggering concerns within the Indian pharmaceutical sector. India is one of the world's largest exporters of generic drugs, supplying a significant portion of the United States pharmaceutical market. With Trump's tariffs looming, this vital industry finds itself vulnerable to potential upheavals. Increased tariffs on Indian imports could not only impact the affordability of medications for American consumers, but also destabilize the Indian pharmaceutical sector. The repercussions of Trump's trade policies pose a significant challenge for India. The country relies heavily on the export of generic medication, which offers affordable alternatives to brand-name drugs. Consequently, any disruptions to this trade relationship could impede India's ability to meet global demand, affecting both domestic and international healthcare. Furthermore, the pharmaceutical industry in India plays a crucial role in providing employment opportunities and contributing to the country's economy. If the tariffs materialize, the sector may experience layoffs and decreased revenue, exacerbating India's economic struggles. In response to these potential threats, India is taking measures to brace for the upheavals. The government is exploring avenues for negotiation and diplomacy to prevent a full-blown trade war. Additionally, the Indian pharmaceutical industry is striving to diversify its export markets and reduce its over-reliance on the U.S. market. As India prepares for the uncertainties ahead, the global healthcare landscape watches closely, aware that the outcome will have a significant impact on both the availability and affordability of essential medications for millions of people around the world.